Here we have a problem on angles. Okay, let's go to the question. There is a figure given here. In the figure, both lines L, M, N are parallel. What is the value of x positive y? All the three lines are parallel. Okay, so here the line M and N are parallel. Then what is the name of the line over here? It's called transversal. Okay, whenever two parallel lines intersected by a transversal, alternate interior angles are congruent. That means they must be equal in measure. So this one and this one are called alternate interior angles. So already we know that the measure of this angle over here is x degree, then the measure of angle over here must also be x degree. So because these two angles are alternate interior angles, they are equal in measure. Okay, here the same thing. So here line L and M are parallel, and the name of this line is transversal, and the angle measure over here, the angle measure over here are alternate interior angles. They must be equal in measure. Already we know that the measure of this angle is y degree, then the measure of this angle also must be y degree because they are alternate interior angles. They must be equal in measure. And the measure of the angle over here is 70 degree. Okay, so what do you think about the three angles over here, y degree, x degree, and this 70 degree? So all these three angles together form a circle. So we know that the angle measure in a circle is 360 degree. So these three angle measures, x degree, y degree, 70 degree, together form a circle. So these angle measures must add up to 360 degree. Okay, so now let me add the three angle measures, x degree and y degree, positive 7 degree. So it must be equal to 360 degree because these angle measures together form a circle. So angle measure in a circle is 360 degree. Okay, now let's simply write x and here y, and positive 70 equals to 360 without degree symbols. Okay, now I subtract 70 from both sides because my aim is to get the value of x positive y according to the question. So for that I have to get rid of this positive 70. For that I subtract 70 from both sides. Positive 70, negative 70 will cancel out. I get x positive y equals to, when I subtract 70 from 360, I'm getting 290. So the value of x positive y is 290. So the correct answer choice for this question is option D.